Hello friends, in this video we will learn to download and install Qbasic on your PC. At first, go to your browser, go to the source menu, then search qbit64.org. It will take you to Qbasic official page. Scroll down, you will see download Qbasic version 1.5. Click on it. It will take you to GitHub page. Scroll down. If your window is 32-bit, then you can download Qbasic of 32-bit. Else, if your window is 64-bit, then you can download 64-bit. Here, I will download 64-bit. You can see our Qbasic is downloading. Now go to download. Here you can see QV64 file has been downloaded. Now click on it. Click on QV64. Here you can see QV64 application. Now click on extract all. Click on extract. You can increase its size. Now let's check whether this Qbasic is working or not. Now I will take input from the user, then print the same. You can click on run, then start. Since it's first time, it's takes time. So wait for a minute. Now enter any number. Now you can see our same is output. Now you can see our Qbasic is working. By this way you can install your Qbasic on your PC. If you get any problem, then you can comment below. Thanks for watching.